Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you step-by-step process of how to use PlayStation controller on Forza Horizon 6. So the game doesn't support PlayStation controller, that's why we need to use external service. So open any browser and search here DS4 Windows. Now select the official website. After that we need to download this tool. For that click on download, then select this download option, and finally we need to click on this download button in order to download this tool. Once the file is downloaded, open it on your download path. I'm just gonna go on my desktop and drag and drop this file onto my desktop screen so to show you everything properly. Now extract the folder. For that right click it and select extract, choose the extraction path and select extract, and the file will be extracted on your desired location. Now open the extracted folder. Under it we need to select Win64 folder. Here find DS4 Windows application. Now on this window we need to select program folder as our profile save. Moving forward, we need to choose the controller we are using. If you are using PS4 controller, then select DS4. If you are using PS5 controller, then select DualSense device support. For PS3, choose DS3 device support. After selecting the controller, select start on this window, and then it will open this installation window. On this window we need to select step 1 install VGem and install this driver to configure our controller. Now select the next, checkmark this option, select next again and choose install, and it will start installing the driver. Once the installation is done, select finish. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna skip 4th and 5th step because they are not necessary. Then click finished. Now before doing anything, we have to connect our PS5 controller to our PC or laptop. For that, you can either use Bluetooth or USB cable, but personally I recommend you using USB cable for better connectivity. Then click on start on this window. After that, it will detect the PS5 controller. You can see it in the bottom as well. It has detected it as an Xbox 360 controller. Now minimize all the tabs and open Forza Horizon 6, and you'll notice that your PlayStation controller is now working on Forza Horizon 6, but the button layouts will be for Xbox because it is detecting your controller as an Xbox controller, but in future updates it might change the buttons layout as well. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.